Welcome back to the AutoVex. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most outrageous and attention-grabbing luxury performance SUVs ever created. This heavily customized wide-body SUV takes everything enthusiasts love about high-performance luxury vehicles and pushes it to the absolute extreme. From its aggressive aerodynamic upgrades and exotic styling to its supercar-level performance and ultra-luxurious interior, this machine is designed to dominate both the streets and social media feeds. The first thing that immediately grabs your attention is the dramatic exterior design. Every panel seems purpose-built to create a more aggressive and commanding presence. The wide-body fenders dramatically increase the vehicle's stance, giving it a muscular and planted appearance that makes the standard version look tame in comparison. The custom front and rear bumpers feature larger air intakes and aerodynamic elements designed to improve airflow while creating a race-inspired appearance. Massive black alloy wheels fill the enlarged wheel arches perfectly, giving the SUV an unmistakable super SUV character. Moving toward the rear, the modifications become even more dramatic. The oversized roof-mounted rear wing instantly stands out and gives the vehicle a true motorsport-inspired appearance. Combined with the sculpted rear diffuser, carbon fiber accents, and aggressive rear bumper design, the SUV looks ready to attack a racetrack rather than a city boulevard. The slim LED taillights stretch across the rear and add a futuristic touch to the vehicle's already striking design. Every angle of this SUV communicates performance, exclusivity, and luxury. It is the kind of vehicle that turns heads at every traffic light and attracts attention wherever it goes. Opening the doors reveals an interior that perfectly complements the dramatic exterior. The cabin is a showcase of premium craftsmanship, featuring luxurious leather upholstery, custom stitching, carbon fiber trim, and premium materials throughout. The white leather interior creates a bright and sophisticated atmosphere, while contrasting beautifully with the vehicle's bold exterior color. The seats are designed to provide both comfort and support, making them ideal for spirited driving as well as long-distance cruising. Heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable seating ensures maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. Ambient lighting and premium trim details further enhance the upscale environment. Technology plays a major role in the overall experience. A large touchscreen infotainment system serves as the central hub for navigation, entertainment, connectivity, and vehicle settings. The system supports smartphone integration, advanced voice controls, and a variety of digital services designed to make every journey more convenient. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance information, navigation directions, and customizable display layouts. High-end audio systems deliver exceptional sound quality, transforming the cabin into a private concert hall. Under the hood, this performance SUV delivers the kind of power expected from a flagship luxury vehicle. Equipped with a powerful twin-turbocharged engine, the SUV produces incredible horsepower and torque figures that allow it to accelerate with astonishing speed. Despite its size and luxury focus, it can launch from a standstill with the urgency of a sports car. The advanced all-wheel drive system maximizes traction and stability, helping the vehicle put its immense power to the ground efficiently. Smooth transmission shifts and responsive throttle inputs create a driving experience that feels both refined and exhilarating. The suspension system has been engineered to balance performance and comfort. Adaptive suspension technology continuously adjusts to changing road conditions, providing a smooth ride during everyday driving while maintaining excellent body control during aggressive cornering. The steering is precise and responsive, giving drivers confidence whether navigating city streets or winding mountain roads. Large performance brakes ensure strong stopping power, matching the vehicle's impressive acceleration capabilities. One of the biggest selling points of this customized luxury SUV is its exclusivity. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, heavily modified performance SUVs offer a unique combination of luxury, performance, and individuality. Owners are not simply purchasing transportation, they are investing in a statement piece that reflects personal style and automotive passion. The combination of dramatic styling, handcrafted interior details, cutting-edge technology, and supercar-level performance creates an experience that few vehicles can match. Overall, this extreme luxury performance SUV represents the perfect fusion of power, prestige, and design. It offers breathtaking looks, a lavish interior, advanced technology, and thrilling performance in one unforgettable package. Whether you're a luxury enthusiast, a performance lover, or simply someone who appreciates extraordinary automobiles, this SUV stands as a remarkable example of what happens when automotive engineering and bold design come together without compromise. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.